Echeveria Setosa, commonly known as a Mexican firecracker, is a succulent that forms rosettes of densely packed, hairy, and fleshy leaves. The leaves are typically green and are covered with fine, soft hairs, giving them a fuzzy or velvety appearance and texture. When exposed to bright sunlight, they turn a reddish or purplish tint. Like most succulents, it prefers infrequent but deep watering, always allowing the soil to dry out between waterings. Clearly, I did not pay attention to this rule. The leaves on the bottom of this Echeveria Setosa rotted, leaving the top heavy, forcing me to chop it down. Like other succulents, it can be propagated easily through offsets or by leaf cuttings. For this one, I decided to make a couple of shallow pots. Let's call them propagating pads. It could still look nice while it's propagating, rather than looking at used yogurt containers. Besides, once it roots, I'll use it in a succulent arrangement. Apparently, this is the best time to tell you to check out my other pots on my channel and subscribe. So check out my other pots on my channel and subscribe. Thank you. In late spring to early summer, Echeveria Setosa produces tall, flowering stalks with small tubular orange or red flowers, attracting pollinators like bees and butterflies. Complementing other succulents and cacti in arrangements, Echeveria Setosa is often used due to its unique appearance. If you're interested in more plant facts and want to know how I make my pots, take a look at my videos when you're on my channel subscribing. Thanks for coming by.